Cryptocurrencies have been gaining popularity over the past few years, and with the rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, new investment opportunities have emerged. One such opportunity is staking, where users can earn rewards by holding and locking up their cryptocurrency. Binance Smart Chain, BSC, is a popular blockchain network for DeFi projects, and there are several staking platforms available. In this video, we will explore the top crypto staking platforms on Binance Smart Chain, and the answer is PancakeSwap.com and Biswap.com. Firstly, let's understand what staking is. Staking is the process of holding and locking up cryptocurrency to support the blockchain network's operation. In return, investors and stakers receive rewards in the form of the network's native cryptocurrency. Staking platforms allow users to stake their cryptocurrency on the network and receive rewards. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, and the top staking platform on the Binance Smart Chain. It allows users to stake their cryptocurrency in various liquidity pools and earn rewards in Cake, PancakeSwap's native cryptocurrency. PancakeSwap offers higher rewards than other BSC staking platforms due to its popularity and high trading volume. Users can also earn additional rewards by participating in farming, which involves staking LP, liquidity provider, tokens. Biswap is another staking platform on the Binance Smart Chain. It is a decentralized exchange that offers a wide range of DeFi products, including staking, liquidity provision, and yield farming. Biswap allows users to stake their cryptocurrency in various pools and earn rewards in the form of BSW, Biswap's native cryptocurrency. The platform offers competitive rewards, and users can earn additional rewards by participating in Biswap's liquidity provision and yield farming programs. PancakeSwap and Biswap are two of the top crypto staking platforms on the Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap is the most popular staking platform on the network and offers high rewards, while Biswap offers a range of DeFi products and competitive rewards. Users can choose between the two platforms based on their individual preferences and investment goals. Staking is a great way to earn passive income in the cryptocurrency space, and these two platforms offer a solid choice for investors looking to participate in staking on the Binance Smart Chain. In addition to their staking services, PancakeSwap and Biswap offer various other DeFi products that users can benefit from. PancakeSwap has a lottery system that allows users to buy tickets with Cake and have a chance to win a significant amount of cryptocurrency. The platform also has a prediction market, where users can earn rewards by correctly predicting the outcome of certain events. Biswap, on the other hand, offers yield farming programs that allow users to earn even higher rewards by staking LP tokens. Biswap also has an NFT marketplace that allows users to buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens. This provides users with additional opportunities to diversify their investment portfolio and earn rewards in various ways. Furthermore, both PancakeSwap and Biswap have user-friendly interfaces that make staking and other DeFi products easily accessible. They also have low transaction fees, making it more affordable for users to participate in staking and other DeFi products. It's worth noting that as with any investment, there are risks associated with staking on these platforms. Users should conduct their due diligence and research the platform's reputation, security measures, and potential risks before investing in them. However, with their solid track record, user-friendly interfaces, and competitive rewards, PancakeSwap and Biswap are two of the top crypto staking platforms on the Binance Smart Chain that are worth considering for investors looking to earn passive income in the cryptocurrency space. Another factor that makes PancakeSwap and Biswap popular choices for staking is the governance tokens they offer. Governance tokens give users the power to vote on proposals for changes to the platform, including the distribution of rewards, fees, and other aspects of the platform's operations. By holding these governance tokens, users can have a say in the platform's future direction and potentially influence its development. PancakeSwap's governance token is Cake, while Biswap's governance token is BSW. Both tokens have gained popularity and have a significant market capitalization, making them a valuable investment option for those looking to participate in the governance of these platforms. Moreover, both PancakeSwap and Biswap have partnered with other projects and platforms in the DeFi ecosystem, expanding their offerings and potential for growth. For example, PancakeSwap has partnered with Cream Finance to offer cross-chain lending and borrowing, and Biswap has integrated with Polygon to offer cross-chain trading. Finally, it's worth mentioning that staking on PancakeSwap and Biswap is relatively easy to get started with. Users can connect their wallets, deposit their cryptocurrency into the staking pools, and start earning rewards right away. With the popularity and reliability of these platforms, users can feel confident that their investment is safe and that they will receive the rewards promised. In conclusion, PancakeSwap and Biswap are two of the top crypto staking platforms on the Binance Smart Chain, and they offer a range of DeFi products and services beyond staking. Their competitive rewards, user-friendly interfaces, low transaction fees, and governance tokens make them attractive options for investors looking to earn passive income in the cryptocurrency space. With the DeFi ecosystem continuing to grow and evolve, these platforms are likely to remain popular choices for staking and other DeFi activities.